What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tipsy Trippin' Rednecks. I'm Tipsy.
I'm Trippy and I want to get high right now.
Hey guys, we got this Airis vape.
From Airistech.
Airistech.
Yeah, it's Mystica2.
Mystica2.
Now we have to do the unwrapping close up.
Okay, we're gonna unwrap it close up, guys. We'll get a nice close up. They sent us this from China to do a review on.
Yeah, from the manufacturer, Airistech.
So we're going to get a close-up and open it up for you.
The last one they sent us was this Nokiba, and it worked pretty decent. Yeah, you know, we might puff on it right now here. We need to let it warm up. Oh yeah, it only takes 20 seconds to heat up, so let's do an unboxing. Okay, guys. Let's open this up.
Get that wrapper off of there.
I'm trying. Okay, so let's look on the back. So it's pocket-sized, variable voltage, magnetic
joint.
Yeah, 2-in-1 adapters. There's 2 adapters in it. It has a little window, and it's 450 mAh battery. Which, holy crap, 400. That's a pretty decent battery size for that small little device.
And guys, let's compare this beside a lighter here for a second.
Holy crap.
Here beside the lighter. So there you go, comparison beside a lighter. A lot smaller. Check it out, guys. Let's test it out.
We gotta look at the rest of the stuff.
Look at the rest of the box. Let's check it out.
So you have your charge cable, and you have your 2 little adapters.
Oh, hell
We'll
yeah,
explain what the
guys.
adapters are soon.
Let's check it out.
Okay, guys, so we have the 2 adapters for the 5mm and 10mm tanks, 0.5 milliliters and 1 milliliter.
Oh, yeah.
So we have a couple of these different tanks kicking around because it takes 510 thread adaptation. So let's look for one of these here. We have some Snoop Dogg stuff kicking around here. I just can't find it right now.
What's on the old smock there?
Not Snoop Dogg. Well, we'll try this. I can't find the Snoop Dogg.
So it looks like you just grab your normal little tank for vaping. Put your THC liquid in there.
What happens if you don't put that on and you put it in? What happens?
It ain't gonna work. Screw that on there. I don't know if yet, and then this screws into here, I'm guessing. Oh no, she's magnetic. No. I think I'm doing something wrong. No, that should be fine. You walk. Alright guys, let's see if this thing turns on. It should be 5 clicks. Oh yeah.
Well, what voltage are you running it at?
No idea.
Okay, guys, so...
They ain't got no set on there.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, it is variable.
So right now, you're running it in red, which guys, red means 4 volts. To change to change the voltage, you click it 3 times. So now it's green. Green means 3.4 volts.
There you go. How's it hitting? How's she hitting now?
Pretty good.
So that's definitely a good, like, little pocket-sized vape. Definitely something to take on the go. Stealthy.
So, yeah. Yeah. Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, yeah, guys, you can check that out too. They sent us that too. We did a review back. You can go check that out.
They got it switch over to the blue setting, which is 3.7 volts.
Seems like everything is adjusted by one button on this thing too. So
they go through it. So right now it's at blue.
So hit it at blue, which is what?
Blue is 3.7. Now you're supposed to hit 3 clicks to change it to red, which is 4 volts.
So 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. So now we're on red. A little bit less, I thought. What's next? 3 clicks. Green. I think I like the blue. The blue's where it's at.
Okay, guys. So you know it's takes 12mm cartridges. Well, no, it's a 12mm cartridge port, so it'll take up to 12mm cartridges. It's 1.5 inches long. It's 2 inches wide, and it's
rechargeable.
0.5 inches tall. Well, you know,
It's
I
not
call
very tall,
that
guys.
tough.
You seen the fucking
everything
up close with the lighter. That's as good as it
the
gets.
measurements from the website is saying that's how tall it is. So
That's if it's laying down. That's not. No, we're not doing that.
no.
It's
When flashing red, it needs to be recharged. It also has pass-through capability, so you can use it while it's charging. Widely compatible 510 thread. It has a 10-second cutoff, or 10-second cycle auto cutoff. So if you're hauling on it for more than 10 seconds, it's going to cut off, which is a good thing. It comes with a 6-month manufacturer warranty with the company.
Oh, that's decent, guys. What would you rate this out of 10? For a decent, on-the-go, kind of quick little pocket vape. I'm going to say about a 7.
No, it's...
You know, you got your 3 different settings. Just plugs in.
Look,
and it's
1,
small.
2, 3. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm switching now.
Yeah, it seemed to work good for me. Let's finish this.
Yeah, I say a 6 out of 10, guys.
6 out of 10, 7 out of 10, yep. Alright, guys. Make sure you go check them out if you want to pick one up yourself. Airistech.
Yeah.
.com. Go check them out, guys. That'll be the end of this one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Stay tipsy.
Stay trippin'.
Stay redneck.